my name's Jackie. I love to poo. And but the best part is when I do it nicely. But I just love it sometimes. But what are you asking me? What's this? I'm funny. But the best part really is when I like to when I have fun. You know, it's it's really good. It's good. But also I think that I need to fly away sometimes, and I don't really get it. But you know, it'd be good. You know what? If I had a mommy, 2 months, that they would love me forever, and it would be super. But I have to go. So bye.